Hello, this is Kirk Whittig. I am going over the staff change process, Part B, for Management 616, Dr. Spangenberger. Agenda for topics covered. We'll go over the problem statement, need for change, steps for change, teams involved, overall plan for change, and then a summary and some key takeaways. As many of you know, there are a lot of problems around medication. So Springfield General has decided to implement a new computerized physician order entry program to help avoid medical mistakes while lowering our healthcare costs. I think many of you are aware, across the country, there's annually around 770,000 patients that are harmed or die due to prescription drug related problems, which of course adds hundreds of billions of dollars a year in healthcare costs. Although we won't specifically go into the cost to us here, it is quite extensive. Since through our pilot program, we were able to discover and work out a number of the kinks and staff that will be necessary to move this forward, we'll be offering some training and development opportunities on the CPOE program for those staff who need that. We'll also create new CPOE IT type staff, as well as some cross-functional staff opportunities to bridge the necessary competencies and behaviors for this new computer program. Again, we'd like to reassure you that we are undergoing a new structural change to deal with the new program and help link data entry and computer operations, as well as the screen interpretations with caregiving staff like nurses, doctors, pharmacists, so that you guys don't have to stand in front of a screen and scroll through the various pages of patient data and can do the work that you're here to do, while we have specialists looking at the screens and cross-functional staff to help deal with the communications and baton type exchanges during this process. So again, we will create new teams of employees specialized in interpreting the CPOE program that we discovered were necessary through our pilot program. Additionally, we'll be adding some new cross-functional employee positions to help with the changes. So there will be opportunities for you to apply to these. We'll also get some training for those types of positions and bring in new IT type computer-based specialists that we currently don't have on staff but will now need. So in summary, the plan for change will look for new training opportunities for staff to move into these new positions based on the pilot program and feedback and diagnosis of those employees' experience. We'll also have some new IT staff in place ASAP, as well as some new cross-functional employees brought in who have already implemented such processes at other hospitals, so they can help train those of you wanting to make these career changes. Again, we'd like to point out that with many of your guys' help in that pilot project, we have been able to anticipate the new organizational architecture and feel confident that these structural changes will aid and facilitate in a smooth transition to us being able to implement and use the new computer program, thereby helping us help our patients. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please email me. Finally, the references for these notes come from Spectre, Implementing Organizational Change.